Hi, welcome to Gadgets 360. Now, Realme has just launched two new premium smartphones in India, the X7 and the X7 Pro. The main features of these are their 5G-enabled MediaTek Dimensity SoCs, their fast charging, and rather unique designs. We're going to take a look at the lower price of the two today, which is the Realme X7. So keep watching for our first look and unboxing. Of course, before we begin, please do remember to subscribe to the Gadgets 360 channel and hit the bell icon so you know whenever we post a new video. Now, let's get started. So here's the box of the Realme X7, and as we can see, it's quite different to everything the company has released before. It's oblong and bright silver with the company logo, a big 5G logo, and the key specifications on the back as expected. So there's that Dimensity 800U 5G processor, 50-watt fast charging, a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, and 64 megapixel primary camera, which is one of three on the rear. Now we can also see that this particular unit has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is the highest combination available. So that's pretty much all there is to see on the box, and let us now open it up. So here's a little paper envelope, and there isn't much inside, just a few simple guides. That seems to be it. Here is the phone itself. Let's take all this plastic off and check out this interesting color finish, which is not something we've really seen before. Of course, the first thing you'll see is this gigantic "Dare to Leap" slogan across the back, and that's obviously going to be something that you either love or hate. We can put that aside for one moment and take a look at what else is in the box. On the top, there's a clear plastic case, the 65-watt charger, which looks pretty familiar, USB Type-C cable with the signature yellow Realme accent. Here's a SIM eject tool. And there seems to be something else down here. That looks like a Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, which I was not expecting. It's pretty unusual, but good to see. There we have it, the new Realme X7 along with all the accessories that you get in the box. Now I'm going to turn this on, move everything else aside while we get our first look at the phone itself. So here is the Realme X7. We've just gone through the setup process. We can see that this phone runs Realme UI. Let's check the Android version number. Okay, so it's running on Android 10. And we should get an update to Android 11 relatively soon. So here we can see we have the power button on this side, the volume buttons on the left, USB Type-C port at the bottom. Let's check the SIM tray. There's 2 slots for nano SIMs and no micro SD storage expansion. So Realme has used MediaTek's Dimensity 800U SoC, which runs at up to 2.4 GHz and is 5G enabled. You have two choices of variants. There's 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. The screen measures 6.4 inches and has a full HD+ resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. There's a 4310 mAh battery, and this phone supports 50 watt fast charging, though you get a 65 watt charger in the box. Now that could come in useful for your other devices, so it's pretty good to see. On the back we have a 64 megapixel primary camera with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and another 2 megapixel macro camera. The selfie camera on the front has a 16 megapixel resolution. The Realme X7 is just 74.4mm thick. It weighs 176 grams if you choose the space silver color option, but this one, called Nebula, weighs 179 grams. So that was a quick first look at the Realme X7 and everything that it comes with in the box. Do stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for a full review coming up very soon, and of course check back in with us for much more content about the X7, the X7 Pro and all other smartphones that are launching in India. Thanks for watching.